No. You know why you can't use a knife?
Yep.
Why?
Because they're sharp.
They're sharp. And safety first, right?
Yep.
You gotta tell everybody at home, safety first.
Safety first.
That's why we gotta have mom and dad do it.
If you're a kid, then that means you can't use knives.
Exactly.
And you can't do a pancake challenge because when you spray the pan with good things and you touch it, then it'll burn your hand. Like the guy that said hot.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, like.
Get their names on. Okay, you ready?
Mhm.
Your box is open. Voila.
Look, there's short stuff.
Okay, pull them out one at a time. What we got?
You
Oh.
should let me get all of them out. Because it's my birthday.
Oh, come on, let's go.
LOL.
Wait. Show everybody the LOL. I want to see it. Let's open them up. Bring them over here.
I'm gonna open it. But there's like glasses. I think it's for you. I turned that on this little munchkin. First we have to open
Those are like 3D glasses, huh?
this for me.
Okay, our lovely assistant.
Surprise, but I thought it was a mystery one. We're gonna open the more toys while Mom's cutting that.
Okay.
I'm gonna dive into this baby.
Dive into that baby.
Go in.
Whoa, we're going box diving. You better be careful you don't fall into another dimension.
Never done.
It's a box troll.
Remember that game called Box Trolls?
Whoa, is that a push pop?
Push pop. Yep, it is.
No, it's not. It's a surprise. It's a surprise.
It's a surprise.
It's a pick-me pops.
No, it's not. I'm gonna find some more. Look, this.
Okay, hold on. Why don't you come and show me? Show me. You can't just go through the box.
Look, see? Wait, I need
It's
to
Party
get-
Pop Teenies. Surprise popper. Ooh.
Look,
It looks like a firework.
I could use this for playing and popping, like making this sound for Pop's Painting. Look,
What we got there?
this is a Hatchimal 2.
It's a Hatchmo 2.
And there's
a
more
two-pack.
Hatchimals.
Another,
Here.
what is that? Let me see.
Bop, bop, bop,
That's
bop,
right,
teeny.
Hatchimal.
Bop, 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 bop,
Collectibles. One pack,
teeny.
pack D1. Am I dripping?
Shake, shake, shake. Okay. And look, I have bath bombs that are shaped as fruits.
Shape is ferocious. Oh my God, those look delicious.
Look, I got lip balm.
Oh, lip balm.
Lip balm. Look, got monkeys. Look, more.
What is that? Oh my goodness. Another one. We got, how many of these do we got? 1, 2. Oh, look, there's more. Another one. Oh my
Look.
goodness, you got a whole bunch.
Look, I got this.
And we got a whole dozen.
Of Hatchimals.
Of Hatchimals. Oh yeah, let me see. Collectibles, 1 dozen.
We could get the limited edition. Your dreams have come true.
Look, I could see it right there. Oh look, they're right here. There's this one right here. And
But-
this one right there. They're on the
but-
corners.
But these are not limited editions. They're exclusives. And there's a limited 2nd edition, a yellow golden fox.
Oh, yeah, let me see.
Look, I got this.
Okay, hold on. Hold on. I want you to come and show me. Show me. Can't just go through the box.
Look,
See, because these two aren't invisible eggs.
No.
You can see through the eggs.
No.
See on the side.
No, this is just a bird inside of a fake egg.
Mm-hmm.
Inside
All
of
of the eggs are fake.
Let's test these out.
Okay, let's open one of these out and see what type of toy is inside.
And we first need to open this.
Come on,
Okay.
open the Pick Me Surprise. The Pick Me Pops, Push Me Ups.
How about that? We're gonna open this. Wait. Oh. Where do I open? Because it's down and up. Could you open this for me?